Your face oils never seem to help. You may be using the wrong ones. Dry, tight skin loves oils that are stable, cushiony, and barrier supportive, not heavy and suffocating. Some oils to consider: Metafoam has great stability. Squalane is lightweight, barrier supportive. Rice bran is soft and nourishing. Cranberry and raspberry seed provide antioxidant support. Some butters and heavy waxy oils can feel comforting at first, but clog or sit on top when overused. To use, simply apply 2 to 4 drops over hydrated skin and then seal with a moisturizer if needed. Be sure to watch this next. It explains what barrier repair actually means, so these oils make more sense. More ingredient intelligence is coming. Subscribe if this helped.